This is QuickTime Technology. I'm your host QTT, and today we have an unboxing of last year's MacBook Pro 2016 with a Retina display, a 15.4 inch, 16 gigs of RAM, and a 1 terabyte hard drive. So without further ado, let us start the video and get into this box. Okay, before we do that, that's the logo on the side. On the top we have MacBook Pro. On the other side we have another logo. On the bottom, MacBook Pro. On this side we have all the specifications, 15 inch, 16 gigs, 1 terabyte, and whatever. Okay, so now we can use these scissors to just get into the box. And rip off all the plastic. Put that to the side. Move all the plastic to the side, and here is the box. Slide the lid off nicely. And we are presented with the MacBook Pro. Lift this tab. And my first impressions are, wow. Okay, put that to the side for the moment. And what do we have in the box here? So we have an instruction manual that says, designed by Apple in California. What's inside there? Just a cleaning cloth, Apple stickers, and some more instructions. Just the how-to guide for your MacBook Pro. And we have an extension cable. And we have the MagSafe charger. Okay, put that there for the moment. Now move this. And here is the star of the show. So there is the brand new MacBook Pro from last year. Lift this up. Get rid of that. And now we can turn this on. We are presented with a gray screen. Yes, using this as the main language.